Taqueria Tepatitlan on Ventura's west side is an in-demand Mexican food staple and an American dream success story.
Moved up from bussing tables to cooking to managing, and now I'm an owner.
Juan and his wife Lily have built this taqueria with love and his mom's recipes.
My mom was from Sinaloa. Enchiladas, chilereanos, they're all pretty much the Sinaloa style.
We make it the original way. We don't try to mix it with something that is modern and it's still keeping the way it used to be.
The food's always great, always fresh, and it's delicious. It's the best Mexican food in town.
Besides the great food, the taqueria is known for its personal and friendly style.
Everybody knows when you say taqueria that it's not any other taqueria, it's Juan's place.
The food is of course traditional, but when I ask what was in the verde sauce,
I'm not going to tell you. It's a secret, exactly. Everything we have here, we do it the old-fashioned way. So everything is from scratch, nothing out of the jar, or everything is like that.
Juan and Lily's personal touch is evident when you walk in the door and it feels like home.
We know maybe 80% of our customers by name.
You don't get this at many of the chain restaurants, and I'm not bashing chains. I'm just saying that this restaurants and businesses like these are the ones that make the quality of life in Ventura so fantastic.
Juan's Taqueria encompasses all that's good about a neighborhood eatery.
I think we do it with love. That's what it is. We like doing it. And I think it shows. I hope.
Does the verde sauce go well with machaca? I'm Phil Taggart.